Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss unusual uses of aspirin. Aspirin is one of the most widely used over-the-counter medicines. It comes in handy anytime someone complains of pain, a mild fever, or a migraine. Aspirin can also help prevent strokes and heart attacks if taken in the right dosage. Aspirin has anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antipyretic benefits. It is one of those basic medicines that has a permanent place in your first aid kit or medicine cabinet. Aspirin is not recommended for the people below the age of 16. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should consult their doctor before using aspirin. Here are some unusual uses of aspirin apart from headache relief that you may not know about. Number 1. Use of aspirin for keloid scars. Keloids are smooth, shiny or growths of scar tissue that usually form over an injury or a surgical wound. Aspirin consists of salicylic acid that has strong anti-inflammatory properties and can help break down the extra keratin layer on the skin and reduce the size of keloids. Things you will need for this remedy: aspirin and lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 2 or 3 aspirin tablets. Mix until the tablets dissolve. Wash the affected area and apply the paste on it. Let it dry for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water. You may use this remedy 2 times a day. Number 2. Use of aspirin for canker sores. Painful canker sores can make mealtime a nightmare. Luckily, there is a simple remedy you can use to get rid of canker sores. It will help relieve the pain and prevent ulcers from festering. Add enough water to 2 or 3 uncoated aspirin tablets to make a paste. Stir until the tablets completely dissolve. Use a cotton swab to apply the paste on the canker sore. Wait 5 minutes before rinsing it off. Use this remedy 2 times a day. You will see results in 2 to 3 days. Number 3. Use of aspirin for restless leg syndrome. Aspirin is quite effective in reducing symptoms of restless leg syndrome. Take 2 tablets of aspirin before bedtime as and when required. It takes about 30 minutes for this remedy to work. Number 4. Use of aspirin for razor burns. Aspirin is effective in treating razor burns as it is a painkiller and has anti-inflammatory properties. Things you will need for this remedy: aspirin and witch hazel. Pour half cup of witch hazel into a spray bottle. Add 4 aspirin tablets to it. Let the aspirin dissolve. Shake the bottle before use. Spray the solution on the affected areas or freshly shaven skin. Let it dry. Use the solution as needed. Number 5. Use of aspirin for calluses. Aspirin can be used to soften the hard skin around a callus. It will also help reduce the discomfort caused by this very common and annoying skin condition. Things you will need for this remedy: aspirin, lemon juice, and water. Put half teaspoon of lemon juice in a mixing bowl. Add 5 aspirin tablets to the lemon juice. Add half teaspoon of water as well. Stir the ingredients to make a paste. Apply the paste on the callus. Cover it with a plastic wrap. Remove the plastic wrap after 15 minutes. Gently scrub away the callus using a pumice stone. Repeat as needed. Number 6. Use of aspirin for dandruff. The salicylic acid in aspirin will exfoliate your scalp and help to control dandruff. It acts as a cleanser and helps remove the dandruff flakes. Things you will need for this remedy: apple cider vinegar, aspirin, and mild shampoo. Pour 4 tablespoons of a mild shampoo into a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the shampoo. Crush 3 aspirin tablets and add it to the mix. Stir thoroughly to mix the ingredients. Transfer the mixture to a pump bottle. Apply a sufficient quantity of this mixture to cover all of your scalp. Leave it on for about 5 minutes, then massage your scalp. Wash it out with the mild shampoo, followed by a conditioner. Let your hair air dry. You may use this remedy once every 2 weeks. Number 7. Use of aspirin for acne. Aspirin is useful for drying out excess oil in the skin pores as well as removing dead skin cells. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the appearance of pimples and acne. Things you will need for this remedy: honey and aspirin. Add 2 teaspoons of honey to 3 crushed aspirin tablets and mix well. Use a cotton swab to apply the mixture on the affected areas. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. Pat dry your skin. Finish with a moisturizer. For best results, use this remedy twice a week for at least 2 weeks. Number 8. Use of aspirin for rough feet. The skin of your feet is most susceptible to dead skin cells accumulation. Aspirin acts an exfoliant to remove dead skin cells. It also helps by softening hardened skin, including calluses and corns. Things you will need for this remedy: Epsom salt, aspirin, lemon juice, and moisturizer. Fill a small tub with warm water. Mix in 1 cup of Epsom salt. Soak your feet in the foot bath for about 30 minutes. Wash your feet. Put 7 to 10 aspirin tablets in a bowl and add the juice from half a lemon. Stir the ingredients to form a paste. Apply the aspirin lemon paste on the rough skin. Wrap your feet with plastic wrap for 4 to 5 hours. Remove the wrap and wash your feet. Use a soft towel to dry your feet. Finish with a moisturizer. Wear a pair of cotton socks overnight to help seal in the moisturizer. For best results, use this remedy daily for 1 week. Number 9. Use of aspirin for shoe bites and blisters. Aspirin helps alleviate symptoms associated with shoe bites. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce the inflammation and swelling and provide instant relief from the discomfort. This is an effective and inexpensive remedy for healing shoe bites, blisters, and scars. Dissolve 1 or 2 aspirin tablets in enough water to make a paste. Apply this mixture on the shoe bite or blister. Let it set for a few hours. You can cover it with a bandage so you can go about your day. After a few hours, wash it off with water. You may use this remedy 2 times a day. Number 10. Use of aspirin for bunions. Aspirin can relieve symptoms of a bunion include inflammation, thick and hardened skin, pain, and calluses. Things you will need for this remedy: iodine and aspirin. Put 2 or 3 aspirin tablets in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of iodine to the tablets and mix well. Apply the paste on the bunion. Cover it with a bandage and leave it for a few hours. Wash it off with water. Use this remedy daily until you get the desired results. Number 11. Use of aspirin for pimple. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, a major constituent in most of the over-the-counter pimple treatments. Aspirin is also anti-inflammatory and helps bring down the swelling and redness surrounding the pimple. Things you will need for this remedy: aspirin and water. Crush an aspirin. Add a little water to the crushed aspirin and make a spreadable paste. Apply the aspirin paste on your pimples. Let it set overnight. Then rinse your face in the morning. The pimple should be greatly diminished in size. Aspirin can be applied twice a week. Number 12. Use of aspirin for yellow jacket stings. Other than treating fever and pain, this versatile medicine can also provide relief from a yellow jacket sting. It reduces pain, neutralizing the venom, and also helps minimize the swelling. Put 1 or 2 aspirin tablets in a mixing bowl. Add a sufficient amount of water to dissolve the aspirin and form a paste. Apply the aspirin paste on the sting. Let it dry for a few minutes. Wash it off. Repeat the remedy if needed. Number 13. Use of aspirin for spider bites. The anti-inflammatory properties of aspirin play a role in reducing the swelling and itching caused by spider bites. Mix 2 or 3 aspirin tablets in 1 tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply this paste on the affected area. Let it set for 3 to 4 hours. Rinse it off with water. A single application of the aspirin paste will reduce the symptoms. Reapply if needed. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.